Welcome back for installment number 4. Today is March 29th and we are at the Onalaska Walmart Garden Center for yet another edition of Let's Check In on the Plants that have been out since January. Because if you're going to buy bare root stock, you want sitting at room temperature, which is probably 70 degrees or thereabouts, sitting at room temperature for months in advance of you growing it in your garden. Because doesn't that make for success? Let's check in on the usual suspects. We have, I'm not tall enough. We have our wonderful Candace grapes here. And let's see if I can get to focus. There is some kind of mold growing on them. Yummy. Just what I want for my garden. Yay! I don't see the aphids, but they've probably moved on to bear territory. There's a whole big new slew of houseplants elsewhere. Hey, I got a grape that I really want. It's one of these hemorrhoids over here. This one. That's the one I'm going to plant in my garden. Isn't it beautiful? It's already got fall foliage on it. Yay! Do you remember how lush and green these were in the past? And now we just have desiccation and death and dried out. Let's check in on our blueberries. Well, the blueberries have sold quite a bit. And if you've been sitting at room temperature this long, and you're just getting one very weak little sprout, well, it's probably not the best to have for your future gardening needs. Ooh, look at these. Oh, these are grapes. Oh, whoop-de-doo. All right, let's check in on the blackberries. Oh, Ebony King, you're a little bit crispy. Bye-bye. Oh, we got some more Ochita here. Ooh, looks like we're ready to start that springtime growth pattern. Be all ready to leaf out. Here's our wonderful, what variety is this of raspberry? Red Latham. Looks like dead Latham. Heritage. Well, it's maybe a historic heritage because it's dead. We have there are asparagus. If you've had asparagus staying there, I should be feeling some type of growth or something, and they're just dead. Let's go on over to the potatoes. We have Gold Rush. Well, those look really sickly for sprouts. Our Yukon Golds aren't even sprouting. When you've set at room temperature for this long, you should either be sprouting or mush and rotted. And the fact that these potatoes are firm and just not doing a thing, that tells me they've been sprayed with a lot of growth inhibitor. Same goes for the Superior. They're not doing anything and they're firm. Now, of course, I realize, yes, they might have just been restocked since both boxes are rather full, and that could be a possibility. But I'm basing this on the assumption that these are probably the ones that have sat here since January. Let's check in on our onion sets. A good onion set should be sprouted out. These are kind of starting to sprout a little bit. That's the Harvest Blend. Let's look at the yellow sets. And I know my mother is watching. Hi, Mom. I went by these onion sets for the world. Oh, look at these. Now these already grew. I don't know if I can put that. You can see the dead growth in them. Those have been sitting there since January. Now let's look at the red sets. Those have grown and died. Wonderful. Just what you want to waste your money on. Let's look at the Everbearing Strawberry. Take a random one at the top. Now, if you remember, we had growth in these one of the last 2 times. I think it was the last time. That one is dead. It's crunchy. I can feel it. Let's get another one. Oh, there is life there. I can't imagine it. Given that's grown under the label in the dark, it's going to be yellowy white and weak The second you get it out in the world, it's not going to do anything great. Let's check on the All-Star Juneberry. Some random bags. Okay, this one has, I pulled 2 out. Let me set one down. This one has life in it. Somewhere, I saw it. Now it's shifted. There. I don't know if you can kind of see it right there. But, like, there's just one. There's supposed to be, how many does it say? 10 roots, and I've got 1 that has come to life. That is not good odds. Let's look at the other one. Oh, there's one right there. Kind of in this area between the 2 rows of writing, if you can kind of see that. But again, like 1 out of 10 is alive. So take it from your certified horticulturist, Murdy May. Please, please, be smart. It might look like a good option. You don't have to go to the garden center. You can just do it while you're at Walmart, getting all of your Legos and body wash and candy and whatever else you want to buy at Walmart. Take the time, go to a reputable garden center and get some real good stuff. Because while this may have started out well, it isn't well when it's set here for 3 months at room temperature. Thanks for watching this video. Remember to like and subscribe and have a great day.